Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will see how to combine columns in Microsoft 365 Excel document. Without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, open the Microsoft 365 Excel. Click and open the document in which you want to combine columns. Here I have data in 3 different columns, and I need those 3 columns combined result in another column. Now place the cursor in the cell where you need to see combined result. Now enter the formula in that cell. Then you will see color changes for all selected columns. Once you enter the formula, click enter. That's it. You can see 3 cells combined results in a single cell. Now to see remaining columns combined result, you don't need to enter the formula again and again. Just place the cursor at the first result. Once you see the plus symbol, drag the mouse until the last data cell. Then all cells in different columns are combined and displayed in cells as shown in the screen. Now we will see another method for combining columns using concatenate. Firstly, place the cursor in the cell where you need to see combined result. Now enter the formula in that cell as shown on the screen. Once you entered the formula, press enter. That's it. You can see 3 cells combined results in a single cell. Now place the cursor at the first result and drag the mouse. That's it. All the 3 cells is combined. I hope you like this tutorial about how to combine columns in Microsoft 365 Excel document. For more information, visit our article, link provided in the description. Thanks for watching video. Like and subscribe to this channel for latest video tutorials.